Hi everybody, Sergio here from Be Digital. Today we will showcase a robot that can take a big PDF with multiple contracts, read it, identify the documents, and return a new PDF for each identified contract. In this particular case, we have two contract templates, which the robot has no problem with identifying, but it is also able to identify and split many more examples. Right now, the robot takes page by page and reads them with OCR in order to detect when a document starts and validate that it contains all of the required elements. Once the detection process is done, the robot writes the file containing the contract number in its name, making it easier to identify it later. At the end of the processing, as always, the robot returns a structured table with a log of everything that was done and extracted. I hope you found this ebook helpful. See you next time with more exciting automation showcases.